guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how do you fix Xfinity xFi pod not working or connecting. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you fix your Xfinity xFi pod here? Well, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So let's start with the removal and the re-addition of your pod. Now, if the pod appears in your Xfinity account but is offline, you may want to remove it from your account. Now, you want to unplug the pod and connect it to the router with an Ethernet cable and plug it in and wait for a few minutes. Now, you may receive a notification from Plume that it's online, but after a few minutes, unplug the Ethernet cable and plug the pod back in and normally to try reconnecting it again. Now, another thing that you may want to try doing here is you may want to power cycle your devices. So in this case, you want to unplug your xFi modem here and try any external router. Now, if you have one. Now, you want to wait for about 30 seconds before plugging the modem back in and allow the modem to fully restart before plugging in the router, if applicable here. Now, finally, just plug in your xFi pod here and wait for the white light to appear, which means it's ready to connect. Now, you may want to basically check the placement and distance as well. So just make sure your pod is not too far from the modem. So ideally it should be around like 30 feet and in an open space without walls blocking the signal. Now, if the issue persists here, try moving the pod closer to the modem and try again. Now, another thing that you could try doing is you want to disconnect and reconnect all pods. Now, if you have multiple xFi pods here, there might be some connectivity glitches or problem here. So in this case, disconnect all of them and reconnect them one by one. Now, you want to wait for each pod to show a solid light here before proceeding to the next. And if none of this actually work, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to contact Xfinity support. Now, in this case, there might be a network issue here, so try reaching out to Xfinity support for further troubleshooting, or they could give you assistance on how to exactly fix your device here, or possibly give you some replacement. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.